Risk disclaimer. Hello my friend, and welcome to this video. It's a beautiful Monday morning right here in Dallas, Texas. And in this video we're going to be looking into how to install Tradermatic on your MT4. By now we've talked about how to create your demo account, how to create a live account, how to download MT4 from FX Choice. That is the broker we recommend. And of course, we've also discussed how to install your MT4. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to install Tradermatic on your MT4, that is on your computer. Also, remember, today we'll be picking another winner for our weekly palliative cash gift. So we'll get to that in a second. And of course, if today is the very first time you're visiting our channel, come on, show us some love, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video with your friend on Facebook profile or your page. And of course, you could be the next winner. Remember, this is a free information that we provide for you every day, and all you can just do in return is show us some love. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we shall continue.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.
Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka Forex Apostle, welcoming you to this video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your Tradermatic trading software into your MT4 platform. Okay, so the first thing you do, by now I believe you have gotten access to your download. You have downloaded the Tradermatic, and you've downloaded the bonus package. Then you have unzipped it. If you have not, then you must have seen the video before this one, so make sure you go to it, and I will also put the link the description of this video for you to get access to it. So pause this one, watch that first, download the Tradermatic, unzip it, and they have it the way you are looking at it, like this. So now in this folder you will have 4 files. The first one is Tradermatic installer. So this one you will install it just like the way you install your MT4 platform. And of course, this is the PDF guide. You open it, make sure you read everything right inside. Then this is Tradermatic indicator. This one here, you are going to be copying it and install it inside the indicator folder. I will be showing you under the next video how to install an indicator into your MT4 platform. It's very simple. I'm going to be showing you, and of course this is the template which we go be copying and put also inside your template. So now there are 2 ways by which you can install Tradermatic. Okay, so please just follow me with this video. The first method is for you to double click on this, and for you to do that you have to close your MT4 platform. Okay, so you just run it, and that is it. It's very easy to do. Just how you do that is you close this window first, then you go back to your folder, then you double click on this and you run it. That is the first method. The second method is you right click on this and you copy it. Once you copy it, then you go to your chart, go click on file. Okay, click on file, and once you click on file you will see open data folder. So once you get to open data folder, you will see MQL4. So double click on that. Once you see that, you see indicators. Just right click on indicators and paste the file you copy right inside. Because I have it inside, I'm just going to say replace the file in the destination. Okay, just because I have it before, so I just go replace it. So that is the first method of installing it. So once you do that, you just close it. Okay, it's very easy. Once again, let me go through it again. You go to your folder, this Tradermatic.ex4, right click on it, copy it. Once you copy it, go back to your MT4 platform, click on file, and you will see open data folder. Once you see the open data folder, you double click on MQL4 and you will see the indicators. So you right click on indicators folder and click on paste, and that is it. You paste it there and you close this. Okay, once you do that, comes to these indicators. You see indicators right here. Right click on indicators and click on refresh. Okay, you right click on these indicators and click on refresh. That is the first step. Now the second step is you copy this Tradermatic template. You see this .tpl, you copy it, copy that, then go back to your FX choice, your MT4 platform. Okay, then you go to file, then you click on open data folder. So once you open that, you will see templates. So you right click on this again and just click paste. Okay, once you do that, it's going to paste it on this template. Okay, once you do that, it's going to paste it on this template. I hope you get that. So then you close this and that is it. Okay, sometimes you can just close this MT4 and reopen it and restart it again, and everything will just be fresh. So that is how you install. And once you install that, I'm going to close all this chart right now. I'm going to close all this chart. Then now you want, let me just open a very plain, let's open a very plain plain chart. So let's open a plain chart. Okay, so this is your new chart. I'm going to be showing you how to set up all these later on, but let's just, so this is the chart that you want to use you want to use Tradermatic on. So I'm going to go to the indicators right here. Okay, or just come to your chart. You see templates right here, you see load. Click on load template. Remember that you will copy Tradermatic template there, so you click on it and you say open. So it's right here. Okay, it's right there. It's as simple as that. Okay, once again, let me show you how you load that. So this is, you go to chart, templates, then load. But if you restart, let's assume that you restarted your MT4, you don't need to go to load. You will see Tradermatic among the list of the templates you have here. Okay, so you go to load and of course select it, the Tradermatic, and just say open. That is why you have it there. Now you will need to put your Tradermatic license key. Okay, and how do you get the key? You go to your tradermatickey.info and put in your information right there, and everything, you will receive your activation key in your email address that you use to purchase Tradermatic. Okay, you will get the license key in your inbox, then you enter it right here. Okay, you just enter it right here. Okay, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to enter my, and so once you have entered your license key, you go have this template. Okay, once again, you install, you copy the Tradermatic indicator here, the ex4 file, you put inside the indicator folder. you copy the template, you put inside the template folder, then of course you load the template, then you put your license key. Once you do that, you should have this on your chart. Now some of you, depends on when you get Tradermatic. Some of you, this might come with stochastic, but if you are getting this of recent, then you should have it just like this. If you don't have this and you need to get this, please send us support email and we will respond immediately. So this is what to have, and this is what to now use to chart. So once you have this, just go ahead, click on chart and the template and save this new. Okay, use it to replace what you have there before. So you just save this to replace what you have there before. Once again, after you have put your license key, after everything is okay like this, I'm going to show you the settings. Okay, don't worry. The next video will go through the settings, and of course, once you have everything, go to chart, then you go to template, save template, and use it to replace the one you have there. That is it. And of course, it's as simple as that. The next video, I'm going to be taking you through understanding your Tradermatic trading system, how what is made up of, and how do you use it to trade, and we go take it from there. Okay, thank you so much for your time. And if you are watching this video on my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button below. If you have seen value in this video, I would really appreciate you, and share this video with your friend and your loved ones. Thank you so much for your time. All right, so welcome back, my friends. So let's pick a winner for this week palliative cash gift. These are the videos that we created last week. Last week was so hectic, many things were going on, but we thank God for His grace that is sustaining us. So right here, we couldn't do much, so we created 4 or 5 videos last week. Okay, last week Monday was July 13th, so we created 5 videos, and of course this has the highest number of views, this has the highest number of comments. So I'm going to copy this one. Let's copy the link and filter duplicate, filter comment based on the test. Okay, so get YouTube comment. Let's see amount of unique commentaries. So start raffle and pick a winner. Let's see. Wow, Owolabi Elkana. That is our winner for this week. Owolabi Elkana. That is our winner for the palliative cash gift this week. Congratulations. So you know how to contact me on WhatsApp, and of course you go give us a short video testimonial that you received your cash gift. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow.